Hey Priya!
Yes?
Hey man, look at those footage from the other day. Now that's so sick, man.
Oh yeah?
People, the jumping and the running. Woohoo! Hey, there you are. Ooh, what are you doing? That's so gross.
What?
Ooh, I so want to show that to everyone.
Don't you dare.
I've got to edit that. You know what? Let's do it right now. And let's get to it. Got a text from someone. Ooh, it's her. 1 minute. I'll reply her and then we'll get back to the show.
1 minute.
Okay, I'm done with her.
This thing is too slow. Fuck that. I'm building my new PC. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably here to watch me build my PC. My old PC is not as bad as my introduction makes it seems to be. But fact is that I needed a new PC, a beefier PC for my video editing needs and my gaming needs. I have all my PC parts and components right here beside me. My processor over there, power supply, I've got my motherboard, my GPUs, I've got a bunch of fans and storage SSDs. And so this video is going to be in two parts. The first part is going to be unboxing and building the PC. The second part is when I'm going to show you the end result. So make sure to stay tuned till the very end because I think the end result is awesome. Or if you want to skip the fun part of building the PC, you may as well do that and skip directly to the second part of the video, the contemplating part. All I'm going to tell you guys is that this piece of the PC that I'm going to build, it's worth having a look at. And yeah, without further ado, let's roll in the first part. I also bought an extra pair of fans to better dissipate the heat inside the casing. However, the problem was that there wasn't any much space left inside to fit those fans. So I had to be a little bit more creative. One last thing to share with you guys is that I actually built my PC in the beginning of the year, and only now am I having the time to share the experience with you. During the year, AMD released their new graphics card lineup, and it was so good I decided to upgrade mid-year. Hence, I picked up the RX 5700 XT, the Sapphire edition, and that's the one you're gonna see in my build shortly. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and yes, you're most welcome to enter your comments below. Now you might be wondering why I'm sitting here in the dark and talking to you. Well, it's just to showcase you my actual PC setup, and as you can see, I've got a dual display setup. It really helps me when editing my videos and doing my stuff. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thank you again. Ciao.